Alright guys, this next video is regards to clipping mask. So in continuation from the reflect lesson, I'm just going to create an area where I want to maybe put my logo behind the back end of my t-shirt. So I'm just going to hide layer 3, which is going to be base fabric. And I'm going to go back to the original, and I'm just going to mimic the collar back area. Okay. Now I'm obviously missing a lot of details in terms of stitch and seam lines. That you'll do on your own. I'm just going to show you how you keep a logo behind your shirt. And this lesson is good for people that want to put the logo on their tongue of the shoe, and if they want to put it on the back of the heel of the shoe. It's the same kind of idea. Okay. So I'm just going to create a new layer, and this new layer I'm going to imitate this heel area here. I use my guides again. Pen tool. Click once, drag, and let's just use the outline tool there so it doesn't distract me. And guide. Bring it back. Fill it. Use a different color here so you can see. Right click, transform, reflect. Oops. Again, I made a mistake. I always do this. Make sure I select the whole shape. Transform, reflect. There you go. Voila. Hold two shapes. Boom. Welded and they're together. All right. So let's bring this together. And check out this. I'm going to get my logo from, and Ryan Lamb suggested this, that I use the SMK logo. Do you want the SMK logo or the Mustangs one? Or the does it matter? Okay. I'm going to bring the insignia in. Ryan said it doesn't matter, so I'm just copying this and literally pasting it. Notice it's a PDF file, and I'm bringing it in. Command V. All right, so I'm going to scale this in. I imagine my brand is SMK, and I want to put this in the back of my shirt, but I kind of want to give the illusion that it's also getting hidden by the front of the shirt. Okay, so check this out. Bring the shape that you want to mask the shape below. So I'm going to actually bring this blue, and I say arrange, and bring this to the front. So technically the blue is masking this area. So this is where you need to learn the steps in doing this. I'm just going to hide this so it doesn't confuse you. And I'll lock my base fabric so I don't touch it. So I'm selecting both objects. I could just click on one object, hold shift and click the other. Okay. This is a good thing to do because it's different than actually dividing it, because masking allows you to release it and play with it again. So I'm going to select both objects, whatever way you want to pick on it. Object, and clip mask, and make. The shortcut is Command 7. I'll just wait here so in the video you know that this is where you got to find the tools to make it. So I'm going to press make. And what that does, it masks the logo inside there. Now, remember, you can always go Object, Clip Mask, and Release, and it'll be back. Now, you're wondering, hey, what happened to the color? It's still there. It lost its original color shape. Now, if you're smart about this, you press Command C. It's in the memory of the computer. Okay, I'll do that Clip Mask, or if you want to do a change, like, oh, I want that a little bit smaller, so Shift and Alt, dragging it down together. I'm going to press Command 7 because it's a shortcut. It masks it. I'm going to press Command F because in my memory I have the actual other shape. And I will pick Command F. So there's actual shape above it that has nothing on it because it was in the memory of the computer. I'll just pick a slightly shaded color. And I'll send this to the back. Oops, arrange. Send backwards, or my bad, send to the back. So you can mask logos inside other shapes. Okay, so right now there's the logo, so this color behind it, and then this masked shape that's contained in this container. So that can be used for your tongue as well. Okay? It's a nice way of hiding things within things. And obviously this shirt, I'll use my line art to create some nice seams and stitch marks and whatnot to make it look realistic. Okay, and you might want to use some contrast. Right click, use the reflect tool, copy it, So you have the same line arts on both sides. Oops, I picked the wrong one. Anyways, you guys got the idea. Flip mask. There you go.